Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Compass. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find cruise control, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, armrests, dual front, cargo area light, compass, trip odometer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.